Hello guys. After reviewing several YouTube channel, and I've come to realize a few things, and I've learned a lot just by watching YouTube. I'm a mechanic, and this was my first time doing an Infiniti G35S Galley gasket, and I'm telling you, these guys are very good. They did it in their backyard. Excuse me. Um, and it was very informational. So one common thing I realized is they all have the same issue, and that's a design flaw from Nissan Infiniti. That gasket is made out of paper, and there's no metal in between it. So over time, this is what happened over time from vibration. So what happened is oil start going out of there, and the oil pressure sensor is not reading it right, so it's not giving off the right power for the car to move. And as a result, this is what we have to do now, after hours and hours and hours of taking parts apart and taking the cover apart. Now here comes the fun part, the timing. Now I gotta get the timing, and I believe the guy said you have to do it over 41 times. Or man, this is gonna be fun. All right, I'm gonna get to it and come back. All right, let's start.